In this vlog, we will see how to add tabs in Flutter. So generally, we use tabs to make the data appear in categorical form. So a simple example for a tab is your phone contacts. So where you can see the calls, missed calls, received calls, and dialed calls. So these things are categorized with the help of a tabs. So in Flutter, how to do this we will see today. In our previous application, in our previous vlog, we have seen navigation drawer. There we have made use of fragments. So similarly, we use those kinds of fragments here to make a different tabs. So the first tab is call. So it will have a list of user names from which we got calls, and the second tab is messages. So the messages which we got from the users, and the third tab is video call. And here we have declared these three tabs with a specific icons. So you might even add a text also here. So in this example, I have considered only icons, and if you want, you can even add text also here. So here you can just add call, and you can see here we can have icon or text. In both ways we can have the tabs. So for a better understanding, I have used only icons. If you need, you can also add text here. So for this particular call tab, when you click on the tab, so what will happen? So when you click on the tab, this particular class will be called. For the call tab, we have made a call class. So here when we go through the call class, here we can see, we can observe a list view. So the list view consists of some containers, and here we have provided a specific height, color, and text here, and we have given some padding. So it's a general thing. Just I want to show you how a call list appears. So the same for messages and video calls also, we have provided the different classes, and here you can see the classes. So in the general way, when you are adding any tabs, you can do the same process here. You can add a new row, and you can add that particular specific class here. This way we can add tabs into our Flutter, both with icons and text view. And this is for this tutorial on tabs. If you want more information on tabs, do let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you face any difficulties in this implementation, please do let me know. The code for this tutorial is being provided in the description section below. And also, if you have missed my previous tutorials on Flutter, I have provided the links. Please go through them to have a good idea on how the Flutter works, and what is the usage of Flutter, and what will be the future of Flutter. Okay, so if you want more interesting tutorials like this, please let us know, and do subscribe to our channel